Okay guys, so since this is an off-shoulder dress, I'll be taking away 3 inches for my measurement. So placing my tape from 3 inches, I'll go ahead and take length. Once I am done taking the length, the next thing for me to do now is to chalk down my points. And the first point is already there, the shoulder. So the next point is going to be my bust point, followed by my waist point, and then my hip points. Please do go and watch my previous video on how to take points so you will not be lost during this. After getting my points and then ruling a straight line, now it's time for us to chalk down the round measurement on this point. So I'll go ahead and break down my round bust by 4, adding 1 inch sewing allowance, and then I'll chalk this down. And also divide my round waist 2 and my round hip by 4, adding 1 inch sewing allowance, and then I'll chalk this down. Leaving the tape from 3 inches, I'll go ahead and chalk the chest points. My chest point is 8 inches. Okay, so why I'm doing this now is for me to be able to get the armhole. So once I am done with that, I'll go ahead and place this on the edge, the front edge of the fabric, and take 7 inches in. And then I'll come down to my chest point also and take 7 inches in. I'll connect both lines together and then I'll take it straight down to the bust points. After doing that, I'll just go ahead and create a very nice and simple curve and then cut out the part I don't need. To get the back piece of this dress, all I have to do is fold out another fabric and place the front piece on the fabric and trace it out. That is the back piece. So now I'll just go ahead and open up both fabrics, both the back and the front piece, and then I'll place them together, front facing front, and then I'll sew on the wrong side of the fabric by 1/2 inch. Okay guys, so because I want the top of this dress to be seamless, I don't want any thread or any sewing to show, I'll go ahead and fold this in by 1/2 inch. I'll sew it in by 1/2 inch, and then once I am done sewing, I will hem this in by 1 inch using my hemming gum. So I'll be using my hemming gum to hem this after sewing. I'll go ahead and hem this in by 1 inch using my hemming gun. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Is this not clean? This is a very clean finishing. So yeah, now it's time for us to cut out for sleeves. Before I do that, I'll go ahead and calculate what I have left on the armhole, because I'll be using that now to cut out my sleeves. I was done checking what I had on the armhole, what I had left on the armhole. I got 6 inches. So now on the sleeve, before I chalk out and get my 6 inches, I will fold this in by 1 inch. Yeah, because I'll be passing my elastic through that 1 inch. So I'm creating a space now for it before I go ahead and get my 6 inches for the armhole. To get the 6 inches, I'll go down by 4 inches, and then I'll go in by 3 inches. Then connect both points together and cut that part I don't need out. Now I'll be taking this to sew by 1/2 inch on the sides, and then on the 1 inches I left, I'll be closing that up too, because I'll be passing my elastic through that. So guys, this is a result of what I just finished doing. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it came out. I am satisfied with it. So yeah, if you're doing this video with me, remember to make 2 of this. So I'll go ahead and attach this directly to my dress. Like, I'll be pinning them down first, and then once I am satisfied with the result, it looks good, I'll take this to my machine to join by 1/2 inch. So I went ahead to cut out fabric. Width is 5 inches. So this is for the base of the sleeves. I'll be attaching this to the base of the sleeves just to give it a little bit of style. Yeah, so make sure you cut out 2 for the base of the 2 sleeves. And then before attaching this, I'll go ahead and calculate what I have right now on the base of the sleeves. I got 9.5 inches. So yeah. Now on the fabric, I'll be chalking 9.5 inches and adding 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So that is 10 inches altogether. And then once I am done chalking that down, I'll take this to my machine to sew on the 1/2 inch sewing allowance. And then I'll bring this back to, pin this to the base of the sleeves. Okay guys, this is the last step. I'll be doing the same thing I did on the top of the dress. I'll be doing it at the base. I'll sew this in by 1/2 inch, and once I am done, I'll hem this also by 1 inch, just as I did on the top of the dress. I'll hem this in, and yeah, you guys, that is it for this tutorial. So guys, I really do appreciate you for watching from the beginning to the end. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. If you're new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That button you're seeing right there, click it, and also click on the notification bell so you can get notification when a new video is being uploaded. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I want to see your likes. I also want to see your comments.